Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import contacts from a CSV file here in Omnisend. All right, so first up, as you can see here, I have here my contacts from a CSV file, and I've created some sample contacts in here. Now let's just go ahead and upload it. Okay, go ahead and open up Omnisend like so, and just go ahead and go to Audience. Okay, in the left panel, click on it. Now click on Imports. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can now go ahead and go to the top, click on Add or Update Contacts. Okay, as you can see here, we have the option to import contacts from a file. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and import directly from your MailChimp or Klaviyo account. All right, so for this example, I'm just going to be using the CSV file that is currently on my computer. I'm going to click on it, wait for it to load, and browse files. Now just go ahead and find the directory where your CSV is located. Right here, I have Omnisend contacts updated November first week. I'm going to click on it and make sure that it is highlighted, and then click on Open. Wait for it to upload, and once done, continue to mapping right here and customize it however you want. Okay, as you can see, I only have 3 right here because in my specific CSV, as you can see, I have these 3 samples. Okay, it only got 3 columns, and that is why 3 has been selected in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Continue to Organize. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and find a tag for this specific contacts. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in maybe new. I think I have new in here, right? New, or even manual import right here. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and create a segment for this specific contact list. Okay, just gonna go ahead and click on custom name, for example, updated contact 2025 November 1st week. All right, and then hit on continue to subscribe. Right here, it says which channels do you want in your contacts without opt-in or opt-out dates to subscribe to. So if you have options right here, you can go ahead and add them. If not, you can skip or just click on continue to finalize. Okay, manage repeating contacts, do nothing, or update subscription status, or update all, and then just overwrite. Okay, hit on continue to review. There you go. Scroll down, check it out, and then hit on finish. And there you have it. Instead of 2 right here, I now got 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.